Hello, good morning. My name is Mr. Pangawatanamtek, and today I'm going to show you how to install models on your PC or on your laptop. So the recommendation for minimum requirement hardware can be found here on model website. So as mentioned here on the website, we can see that the minimum requirement for installing model code is only 200 MB, but pretty much here they are is probably a realistic minimum, and the processor minimum can be 1 gigahertz speed, and recommendation is 2 gigahertz or core or above, and memory can be of 512 MB RAM, and recommendation is likely to be 1 GB or more, and actually here they're writing for the production server 8 GB plus. And as you see here, they consider to use server for the front end, not your laptop or the PC. So anyway, we'll try to install this on a laptop. I'm using a laptop with 16 GB and an SSD hard drive. So first off, we have to install the XAMPP software. XAMPP software can be found from Apache friends.org/index.html. So you can download the latest version from here. If you're on Windows, you can download this. If you are on Linux, you can download the Linux version, and if you are on OS X, then you can use this button. So I already installed this, so I'll skip this installation process for now. And to download the Moodle, we can simply navigate to moodle.org, and on top menu we can find this download option, and we can download this as well. So first off, I need to install the XAMPP software, and let me run the XAMPP from my start menu, and I have to make sure that the Apache from this is started. Yes, done. And even my SQL have to be started. That's it. And I can simply minimize this. Now I have to navigate my htdoc folder from my C drive where I installed Jane, and I have to navigate the htdocs folder here. And once you finish to download the model, you can simply open that, and since the file is listed there, yes. So I just drag the folder here in the htdoc under my XAMPP folder. Now the extraction process is going on, and we have to wait a little bit, then I will resume once this extraction is done. Welcome back. Now that I have finished to extract the models folder, then I can even close this. Now once I make sure that my Apache and my SQL is running, then I can open a browser like this. Then I can simply type in localhost/model, localhost/model, and I have to make sure that I am a database for model. So for that, localhost/php my admin will do. Now I am in the installation page. So before that, I have to make sure that model database is already available in my local database. Let me name it as a model. Database name is model. Okay, I simply create that. This is a blank database. That's it. Now I have to go back localhost model, then it will automatically redirect you to install page. Then next, then confirmation of the path, and you can leave as it is. Now out here we have to choose MariaDB. Make sure that you choose this, not MySQL, MariaDB, and click on next. Now we have to name the database. Database host is localhost. Database name is model, and I'm using the root as database user. That is a default user, and there is no password. And I can click on next. Then I have to confirm here. Now we can see that PHP extension, XMLRPC is required, and so on, but we can skip for now. This will take for some time, and I'll come back once this loading is done. Yes, now that the installation process is continuing, this will take a long time. And I'll come back once this installation is completed. Now that the installation for these tables are done, then I can simply click on continue. Now we have to type in the username which we expect. Then we can simply choose manual account here. You have to use a mixed case here actually. So I'm using like capital and a small letter along with some symbol and some number. Then administration name. Okay, I can give my first name. Then I can give my last name. And email address is required. Then I can fit here anything I like, or I can simply leave them blank. Time zones BAC Kolkata, and simply click on update profile. Installing Moodle takes time. If you are installing on a server, it will not take time, but as you know that Moodle is very heavy, so you have to have a patience. Now that the updation of the user profile is done, now I can simply type in the full site name, short name, choose this, and front page summary. You can write anything here, and you can again choose your time zone. While choosing AC Kolkata and set registration, I can enable this if you want to. And for this no reply email, let me simply type my email again. You can click on save change. Okay, that's it. Now we are in a dashboard. This is it. So you can continue using that. So I'll continue the tutorials next time. Until then, see you. Thank you.